where you at with it? Always overthinking every aspect. Settle down and let it go. Settle down and let it go. Oh, oh. Everybody else trying so hard. You just gotta listen to your own heart.
Si Akina, maganda, makulit, pero mabait.
Makulit, sobrang kulit po. Pero masayahing bata, mabait. Sometimes, father's girl po siya.
Let me introduce myself. I'm not the same person you knew. Life in a brand new light. There's nothing that I can't do. Seeing people spend their whole life waiting, always ending up so frustrated. Didn't want to spend my whole life waiting too. Let me introduce myself. I'm not the same person you knew.
At maraming talent yung batang yun. Nakikita ko na meron siyang magandang kinabukasan. She has a brighter future ahead of her.
Sa school, masipag naman.
Nag-aano sa mga bata, gusto niya nakipaglaro siyang lagi.
Makulit siya sa mga ate niya. Medyo mapag-spoiled, pero sobrang lambing po.
Let me introduce myself. I'm not the same person you knew. Life in a brand new light. There's nothing that I can't do.
Sobrang thankful ako kay Akina dahil may difficult times na nahihirapan kami.
Siya yung pinaka-jolly sa family niya. Napasaya niya yung family. Parang nag-ingay yung bahay kasi nga tahimik na kami lahat.
And then siya yung nakawala ng tapagod as a daughter.
Tapos nung dumating siya, ayun, siya yung nagpapasaya talaga. Pag wala siya, ang tahimik ng bahay.
And then siya yung tumulong sa akin na mag-cheer up po sa akin sa araw na nahihirapan.
Let me introduce myself. I'm not the same person you knew. Life in a brand new light. There's nothing that I can't do.
Sana lumaki kang mabait na bata, may takot sa Diyos.
Happy 7th birthday, Akina. I love you, Apo. I love you so much. Apo, I love you.
And lagi mong tatandaan na Akina Chang, andito lagi si Tita, andito kami lagi para sa'yo. Mahal na mahal ka namin. Happy 7th birthday, Akina. Enjoy your birthday. Let's have fun. We love you so much.
Our lovely celebrant, Akina Mimura. Clap your hands, ladies and gentlemen.
Akina, happy birthday. Sana lumaki ka ng mabait. Hindi ka magbabago. In the future, magagawa mo yung gusto mo. Lumaki kang malusog and magpakabait ka lagi.
Gambatte ne. これからも頑張って。パパとママいつも一緒だよ。 何になりたいのか、いつもパパとママ後ろにいるから、愛してるよ。ずっと大好きだよね。
あきなちゃん、誕生日おめでとう。これからも健康でいてね。もっと優しくみんなに接して優しい子になってください。以上です。Happy 7th birthday, Akina!
Happy 7th birthday, my Akina! Love you!